Good evening to you and welcome back on this Saturday. A flood watch is now in effect for the entire region, and this is going to last through Sunday evening. We can expect up to 2 inches of rain. We set a record rainfall amount today of about 83/100ths of an inch. We can expect just as much during the overnight hours. We're mainly worried about flooding in poor drainage and low-lying areas, as well as around creeks and streams, as well as some ponding on roadways overnight tonight, as rainfall will be heavy at times. A winter storm watch on top of this. This will begin at 4 a.m. on Sunday, and it's going to last through Sunday night. Snow totals of 7 inches are likely, but up to 11 inches is possible. We'll talk about that in just a second. But here's a look at radar. You can see the temperature in Buffalo almost at 50 degrees at 6:45. Unfortunately, though, as we look back to the west, we're pulling in cooler readings. Chicago of 28. So that cold weather is going to filter in, arriving here by about 5 a.m. That's when we're going to see this rain changing over to snow. As that changeover does occur, we could see a wintry mix at that time. The surface map showing this frontal boundary right now. Why we're seeing so much rain, these areas of low pressure are riding up this boundary. Now, here's the thing as to why the snowfall totals are a little bit difficult with this storm system. This low pressure is going to track up this cold front. Now, it depends on how fast this front moves out of our region. If it moves out of here, we're not going to see much snowfall tomorrow night, which is what most computer models are indicating. But there is one model, an outlier, if you will, and that is saying that we're going to get more moderate to heavy snowfall amounts. But for right now, we're expecting 4 to 7 inches during the day, an additional 2 to 4 inches at night. So really be looking at that area of low pressure as more computer models come in throughout the evening and during Sunday morning wake up at 8 a.m. Your forecast with Super Microcast. Overnight tonight, rain continues heavy at times. You're going to need the umbrella. You need the rain jacket. Between 3 and 5 a.m., we see that mix occur as it does so. A wintry mix is possible. Throughout the day on Sunday, we see snowfall. It's going to reduce visibilities. Roadways will become slick. Shoveling is going to be a necessity for tomorrow. So it doesn't matter how much snow we're going to get more of it. It's going to be a winter wonderland out there, and unfortunately, you're going to have to shovel. Your Weather Watch 4 forecast for tonight: rain continues, possibly heavy, changing to snow near daybreak. Minor flooding and ponding on roads is possible. Lows tonight in the upper 20s. Tomorrow, 4 to 7 inches of snow will produce slick roadways, mostly cloudy and colder. Highs around 30. Tomorrow night, snow continues. An additional 2 to 4 inches is possible. That amount could be higher or lower based on that area of low pressure and how fast the storm system moves out of the region. So we'll have to update the forecast. Mostly cloudy and brisk tomorrow night. For Monday, becoming partly to mostly sunny, chilly but pleasant. High temperatures in the low 30s, just a slight chance of light snow early. For Tuesday, we're going to keep it dry with a high of 36. For Wednesday, a high of 39, the chance of a wintry mix. And for Thursday, we're looking at a high of 42. Some rain looks to be likely on Thursday. Friday, colder, a high of 35. With the chance of some snow. So it was rain today, snow for tomorrow.
All right, I know you'll be keeping a close eye on it. Thanks, Amelia. We'll